Are you tired of constantly buying cheap, trendy clothing that falls apart after just a few wears? Do you want to make a positive impact on the environment while still staying stylish? If so, sustainable fashion might be the solution you're looking for. Hi and welcome to Weekly Concepts. Today, we're talking about sustainable fashion and why it matters. Have you ever heard of fast fashion? It's a term used to describe the rapid production and consumption of cheap, trendy clothing. It's a major contributor to the fashion industry's negative impact on the environment. The fashion industry is the second largest polluter in the world, right after the oil industry. It generates tons of carbon emissions, uses huge amounts of water and other resources, and produces a tremendous amount of waste. But it doesn't have to be this way. Sustainable fashion is an alternative that takes into consideration the environmental and social impacts of the fashion industry. It involves using eco-friendly materials, ethical labor practices, and designing clothing that can be worn for a long time and can be easily repaired or recycled. Sustainable fashion is a solution to the problems caused by fast fashion. It's not just about being fashionable, it's about being responsible and taking care of our planet. Some ways that we can make a positive impact on the environment through sustainable fashion include buying second-hand or vintage clothes. Means that fewer clothing items are going to waste and the production of new clothing has been minimized. Buying organic and natural fabrics. Means that we are reducing the number of pesticides, chemicals, and water used in the production process. Choosing to buy better quality clothing. Means that the clothing will last longer and be used for more than one season. Buy from sustainable brands. This means you have an assurance that the people who are making your clothes are being treated fairly and that the process is done responsibly. By supporting sustainable fashion, we can make a positive impact on the environment and also look stylish and beautiful at the same time. So next time you're shopping for clothing, think about how you can make an impact on the environment. We hope you enjoyed learning about sustainable fashion and why it's important. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Weekly Concepts, for more informative and educational content. Thanks for watching.